And today we will be learning briefly about Terraform automation. Though, so we will in that we will go through what exactly Terraform is, what it does, what are which are its competitors, and how it differs from them. Okay, the language it uses for that coding to create the infrastructure. There is a concept called state file, okay, which takes care of all the state, which takes care of what we have created, what infrastructure we have created in actual, the life cycle it follows, providers, and so this will be a bit of kind of introduction about Terraform, which will be followed by the actual demos, where we will see how we create a basic, I mean, first installing the Terraform, then creating the basic uh, infrastructure using basic Terraform script, then how to write that script in a proper manner. So we will go step by step and write the same script with more details in okay. Then we will add some more details, like the first script which we have written. Here we will be creating infrastructure in AWS. I hope you guys have already gone through AWS introduction and you understand things like EC2 server or RDS.